The women's 100 meter is one of the most electrifying and fiercely competitive events in track and field, where speed meets pressure in an explosive race for the gold. Caribbean women have long dominated this event, with stars like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson earning global recognition. But with new challengers like Sha'Carri Richardson of the US and rising star Julien Alfred of St. Lucia, the stakes have never been higher. This year, the Tokyo World Championship is set for a showdown. Will the Jamaican legends continue their reign, or will a new champion emerge? In this video, we break down the fierce competition, highlight the key players, and analyze who has what it takes to claim victory. Let's get right into it. Since Jamaica's Merle Notty's 100-meter bronze medal at the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics, more Caribbean women have gone on to add to the Caribbean's dominance in the event. Over the years, Jamaican women have built a legacy in the 100-meter, with athletes like Juliet Cuthbert, Tanya Lawrence, and Veronica Campbell-Brown paving the way. The list grew with Sharon Simpson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Caron Stewart, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson all claiming global 100-meter medals, solidifying the Caribbean's dominance in the event. Now, recently, Julien Alfred of St. Lucia has added her name to the Caribbean women who have won global 100-meter medals with her gold at the 2024 Paris Olympics. Mind you, Jamaica swept the 100-meter at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics and the 2022 Eugene World Championship. However, things changed during the 2023 season, where Sha'Carri Richardson of the United States won the 100-meter in a championship record of 10.65 seconds, just outside of the 10.67 seconds done by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce a year prior. At the Paris Olympics, it was the first time since 1984 that Jamaica did not earn a medal in the 100-meter at the Olympics. It's safe to say that the Jamaican Big Three have been struggling collectively to regain their spark. Julien Alfred, on the other hand, ran a world-leading 200-meter time of 21.88 seconds at the Tom Jones Memorial, just outside of her personal best of 21.86 seconds done at the 2024 London Athletics meet.
From the inside, Davies, Berger, Nita, Alfred, O'Feely, Adelite, and Davis. Moving into the final 70 meters. And in lane number 6, that's Julien Alfred of Puma, 21.88. That is the world's fastest time.
However, the 2023 Budapest World Champion Sha'Carri Richardson is yet to open her season. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Thank you. Sha'Carri Richardson's 100-meter win earned her a wild card for the Tokyo World Championship, which allows her to compete sparingly. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce returned to the track at the Velocity Fest 17 after being unable to show up for the 100-meter semi-final at the Paris Olympics. Fraser-Pryce ran a wind-aided 10.94 seconds to show the world that at age 37, she is still in the hunt to earn another global medal.
Gun sends them off and running. Shelly gets a good start. She's being challenged by Natasha Morrison. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is ahead of Natasha Morrison. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce will win it 10.93. Oh my word! If that holds up, that's a world lead.
Julien Alfred does not have a national championship to contest, which means she is automatically on her national team for the Tokyo World Championship. At the same time, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is expected to do 3 rounds of the 100-meter and make the top 3 to ensure that she makes it to the Tokyo World Championship. These 3 athletes know how to win championship races. But who will end as the victor of the 100-meter at the Tokyo World Championship? Only time will tell. With legends like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce still fighting for glory, and rising stars like Sha'Carri Richardson and Julien Alfred ready to make their mark, the competition is fiercer than ever. No matter who crosses the finish line first, the passion, dedication, and legacy of these athletes will inspire generations to come. What do you think? Will Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce add another World Championship title to her collection? Or will the rising stars like Sha'Carri Richardson and Julien Alfred take over the spotlight? Who do you think has the edge in the upcoming Tokyo World Championship 100 meters? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Also, check out our video about which Jamaican athletes will make the Tokyo World Championship team. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the women's 100 meter and want to stay updated on all things track and field, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and I'll see you in the next video.